Hey, what's up? While we are doing the review of Alcatel WP6, the Chinese manufacturer has announced the next generation of smartphone, Alcatel WP7. You can watch our videos with unboxing, performance test and camera test of Alcatel WP6 by the links in description. The new smartphone, Alcatel WP7, is much different from its predecessor. First, it is modular smartphone with rugged IP68 design. Also, it has a powerful Helio P90 processor, 8GB of RAM, 8000 mAh battery, 48 megapixels main camera, and special 8 megapixels night vision camera. This smartphone looks very interesting, doesn't it? So let's talk about all features of Alcatel WP7. Alcatel WP7 is a rugged smartphone with IP68 standard. It is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Another feature of the new phone is modular design. Actually, it has only two additional modules: UVC sterilization module and ultra flashlight module. The manufacturer says that the UVC sterilization module is killing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses in a few seconds. It is a very useful feature, especially today. Flashlight module has 1100 lumens brightness and 5 modes. On the back of the new smartphone we can see triple camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. There is also connector for modules. On the front side there is a 6.53-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. There is a small hole for the front camera in the top left corner. Alcatel WP7 has USB Type-C port and microSD slot. That's all about design of the new Alcatel phone. Now let's talk about performance, camera and battery. The new smartphone is powered by MediaTek MT6779 processor or Helio P90. It was released at the end of 2019, so this is quite new chipset. The smartphones on these processors score about 210,000 points in Antutu. Alcatel WP7 has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. You can also use microSD memory card. As for the software, the new phone runs on Android 9. Unfortunately, it is not the latest Android 10. Talking about camera, there are 3 sensors on the back: 48 megapixels main sensor, 2 megapixels depth sensor, and 8 megapixels IR night vision camera. The smartphone also has infrared light and flashlight on the rear panel. The front camera is 16 megapixels. We don't have real sample photos on Alcatel WP7 yet, but the previous Alcatel WP6 also has 48 megapixels main sensor. I think the photos in daytime will be similar. You can watch our video with camera test of Alcatel WP6 by the link in description. However, I'm very interested in the night photos and night vision on the new Alcatel WP7. The battery of the new smartphone has a capacity of 8000 mAh. Yes, the previous Alcatel WP6 had 10,000 mAh battery, but I think the battery life will be very long. Finally, the price. Alcatel WP7 is already available on sale at AliExpress. The price is $450. Yes, this is not the budget smartphone. Moreover, the Chinese company says that it is a flagship phone. The smartphone really has many flagship features, such as 8GB of RAM, powerful processor, 48 megapixels camera, 8000 mAh battery, but also there are some unique features that not flagship has, for example, modular design and a night vision camera. I think the price of $450 is fully justified. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.